Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best TV brands of 2021. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. 5. Class 4K UHD LED Android Smart TV. Sony offers many styles of TVs, but our pros recommend both their 4K and OLED TVs, as they have a good quality design. The picture has good color accuracy and motion handling in our evaluations. Sony also offers good upscaling technology to display low-resolution content clearer. The smart interface runs on Android TV with built-in support for Google Assistant and Chromecast. This year, Sony's sets will allow for even better brightness and better resolution with cognitive processing, which algorithmically enhances different portions into focus. Also new for the year, all Sony 2021 TVs will run on Google TV operating system. 4. Class 6 Series 4K UHD QLED TV. TCL offers Roku TVs that provide a great, familiar smart TV interface for simple access to top streaming platforms. Note that TCL TVs won't have the advanced features and picture quality of higher-end models. This year, TCL will be expanding to include next-gen mini LEDs in its sets for better backlighting, OD0. We're also already big fans of the 6 series at the Institute. 3. M-Series Quantum HDR 4K UHD Smart Quantum LED TV. This up-and-coming brand, Vizio, is known for offering premium televisions at a great value. Their newest, high-end models such as the M-Series offer even better picture quality. For built-in access to your favorite streaming services, Vizio uses SmartCast to get Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube on your TV. Vizio's larger TVs cost dramatically less than other higher-end models, but will not have as sharp image or deluxe features. 2. QLED 4K Q80 Series TV. For a TV that looks like a piece of art, Samsung has the best TV designs. Not only will they look great on display, but they also have high-quality images. Samsung is known for their QLED TVs that have good upscaling technology, making lower-resolution content look like native 4K images. Samsung offers regular updates to their high-end technology, keeping everything running smoothly on an ongoing basis. If you have other Samsung smart home products, their TVs can easily integrate with these products for a seamless experience. Samsung Smart TVs have apps in a row on the bottom of the Smart Hub for easy access to all the popular streaming apps. This style has the option to purchase with a soundbar for the ultimate audio experience. 1. OLED 55B9 PUAB9 Series TV. LG TVs feature an impressive OLED lineup with many different sizes and included features. In general, these TVs have a fast response time with low input lag for easy use. The smart interface runs on WebOS, which is similar to Samsung as the apps run along the bottom of the screen.